Hi, good afternoon. My name is Maher Lewis, and today I'm going to be showing you how to label a profile of a long tangent profile in multiple profile views and in Civil 3D. So let's begin. Let's open up Civil 3D. And let's just save this on our desktop, call it start. So I call this start slope label for multiple profile views. Okay, and let me bring in the land XML data. Okay, so in this drawing we have an alignment, and it's it's not very fancy alignment, and then within that alignment we have a profile. You can see here called alignment 3 layout for the profile 2. Okay, and if I create multiple profile views for this drawing, at 1,000 linear feet per profile view, and I know it starts at 10, and we'll use the mean elevation. We're not going to split the profile view whatsoever, and here we have no labels. We'll do a complete set. Edit the current settings. So here you have a line, and this is the one I'm talking about. So the line on that profile is going to have a % grade. Okay? So we'll do a complete set, and I'll create the profile view. Alright? So as you can see, this long tangent, it does not have a label. Alright? Because the label for the line is, it's nowhere to be found. You may find it someplace, but again, you would prefer to have each one of those with a slope on it. Okay? And this is how you do it. You go to your settings tab, under profile, under label styles, under line, you have % grade. What you want to do is you want to copy this one. Okay? And for me, since I'm doing this, I'm just going to put ML, and then I'm going to say for multi profile. For tangent profile across multiple profile views. Okay? And in here, what you want to do is you want to add a component, a line, in the middle. So first thing you want to do is once you create your line, you want to have your grade attached to the line. Alright? And you want to have this line attached to the tangent at the start of the view. And you don't want this visibility, the line, to be visible at all. So you can see how it changed in the view. So now it'll have a line in the view. Alright? So grade the component, the anchor component to the line, and you want to have it anchor in the middle of that line. Okay? And you want to apply, say OK. So now I've already did the % grade ML. Okay? And now let's let's do the let's delete all of these profile views. Okay, let's do it again. Now profile view, multiple profile views, right? Full grid, right? Again, 10, your mean elevation. You want the labels to be the complete set, but this time you're going to change this from percent grade to percent grade ML. Right? I'm going to say no data bands. And then, here we go. Now, if you look, there is a grade on every single profile view. Notice that? So no matter how much you cut up the profile view, you have a label. Alright? Now if you wanted to, for example, have a label at the beginning and a label at the end, same deal. Alright? You go into the layout. Alright? You want to add a text component. Alright? And you want to have that text component, let's say grade 2. And then you want to have a line component, call it line 2. Alright, and we'll put it at the end of the view. And then we'll go to grade 2 and we'll have it on the line 2. And the text is going to be the tangent grade. Right? And the line is going to be not visible. It's going to be at the end. And the position, the X position, is going to be the same as in this one. Here you have a Y position, 0.025, so we'll do the same thing. Right? 0.025. And grade 1 is at the bottom center. Do the same thing. Bottom center. And that should be it. Say OK. Now obviously that doesn't look good. So we'll relocate the grade 2 minus 0.25. There you go. So now we have a slope grade at the beginning and at the end of the profile in multiple profile views. Now if I select this profile and look for the grip, there's a grip right there. So that's the grip at the end. So if I move this, let's move this up. Alright, so now everything should be 0.2. And let's say I wanted to create a PVI right there. There you go. See? So now we have the slope labeled on both sides of that PVI. And if I grip edit that one, notice how everything changes automatically. Okay? Thank you for watching. This concludes this video.